Hi guys!
Welcome to Pokedoodle. What are we drawing today?
Bonnie
from Five Nights at Freddy's. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to scroll down if you need to. And don't forget to
like and subscribe, comment down below, and give us a huge thumbs up!
Thanks for watching. See you in there. So we're going to start at the top of the head with Bonnie. So it's going to come up and curl around just like that first. And then I'm going to draw his ears coming up. So it's going to come up and round just like that. And then we're going to do an inner circle for his ear as well, an inner oval, just like that. And then we want to draw, just like that on the other side too. There you go. And then we're going to do the inner bit there too.
If you haven't seen our other video about Freddy, the face was basically like in.
Yeah. So we're going to do it similar to the other one, aren't we? So we're going to go down and in a little bit, and down and in a little bit, and then we want to come out again. So just like that, and I'm going to stop again in the centre, and then again on this side, just like that.
This looks better.
Looks great. Well done. And then we're going to go for the centre and do the eyes here, like we did with Freddy. So we're going to start
again,
just underneath where this line is here, and then it's going to go up and round, and then curl in, just like that. And then we're going to do exactly the same on the other side. Up.
I want to do a scary one, so with it have no eyeballs.
That would be very scary.
Like Herobrine.
Okay. And then we're going to do the inner bit of the eye, just like this. And then we want to draw. Well, yeah, you're not, because you're doing a different one, aren't you?
I'm doing a Herobrine one.
There you go. And then just like that. And then we can try and put the nose just in the middle here, and then we can finish the eyes off afterwards. The nose is going to come up, just like this, and then back down like that. And the top bits of the nose is going to be black, so we can colour that in quickly. And then afterwards we're going to connect the eyes.
Oh, that looks actually scary.
Just like that. Don't worry if your eyes go over your nose, or if they're just off.
Well, this looks like
Yours lovely.
Well, it looks like prophecy.
Oh, yeah, yours is lovely. Right, and now I'm going to curl the bottom bit of his mouth in, just like that, and then the same on the other side, like that. And then we're going to do the mouth just like this. It comes across the bottom and up again on the other side, and then same for the bottom of his lip, just like that. And now I'm going to draw his eyebrows. So it's going to curl round. Well done. Yours looks very cute. Is yours the girl version?
Yeah, I'm doing all. So next in the next video, we're doing Chica.
Yeah, we might do Chica next time, yeah? Yeah. And then we've got Foxy as well.
And I'm also doing them both girls.
Are you?
Yes.
Now we're going to do the bow tie, Bonnie's bow tie, which is red, isn't it? So it's going to come and curl around just like that. And then it's going to go inside, and then we're going to draw a circle in the centre. And I'll draw a line coming out, just like that, on both sides. And then we're going to draw the other side of the bow tie, just like that. Now, I'm going to draw his tummy, I think, first. This time, we're going to come up and round just like that. Okay, and now we're going to draw his arms. So his arms are going to come out just here. So we're going to do the first joint, just like that, and it's going to curl back just like that. And we're going to do the same on the other side. So it's going to come down, curl in, and then go back up. And then I'm going to draw his arms. So I'm going to come down, just like that, on both sides, and then I'm going to stop there for a second.
I'm ahead of you.
You are.
Because
I want to draw his feet.
I'm kind of done now.
Well done.
I'm going to do a little couch.
I'm going to draw his toes.
I'm drawing couch.
Just like that, and then the same on the other side. I'm going to give him long feet, like a rabbit. Just like that, and then we want to connect his bum. So we're going to draw a long line across, just like that. And then I'm going to connect it so that his arms are hidden behind his feet, just like that. And then we colour in.
Right guys, so these are how they turned out. My dad went for a boy one. I went for a girl one.
They're both super cute. And I forgot to put the tooth in initially, so I had to add it in afterwards. But I think they turned out well. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.